Yo, what's going on? I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made $600 in one day just by taking a couple trades. Come on, let's go. I ain't trying to hold up too much of y'all time. It's only a few of plays that I took to get me to where I'm at. And I even woke up late and I still, caught some plays, but let's get into it, man. This is the 5-minute chart. And what you see, I know y'all already, probably noticed it before because this ain't the first time that if you've been in tune with my videos or in tune with the market, you know what pattern this is. This is a bear flag. And I got in about right here where it came up to retest. And I seen that it was really respecting the 8 EMA all the way down from the open. And so I was like, yeah. I seen this first leg. I was like, yeah, it definitely, has momentum to the downside. So I was like, let me go ahead and grab some up here. And then I definitely grabbed some on the way down, which is right here in the midst of creating it, and waited for it to drop. Took profits right here, took more profits right here, like right in this area. And then I was really mad that I didn't hold for this because I thought it was going to go to my other box, but it didn't. It bounced. And then my other play is QQQ puts. Yeah. The first QQQ puts that I took was the 622s, which was about right here. Waited for it to retest just like it did on SPY. And if you guys hadn't noticed, SPY and QQQ moved just about the same. So I went ahead when I seen SPY, rejecting, and it finally fell. I was like, yeah, QQQ definitely going to do the same thing. So I went ahead and took both plays at the same time, simultaneously. At the same time. Nah, for real. But yeah, and then I it dropped. I usually like to, like I said before, I usually like to take about to 20, 40, 50% profits. When it gets to 20%, I'm definitely out of 85 or 70% of my contracts. When it gets to about 50, I'm out of probably about 85. And when it gets to if it gets to 80, 90, 100%, that's when I go ahead and start to trim a lot of my profits. When I see that 100%, I'm going ahead and take it because I don't want to be greedy unless I see it has more momentum, and that just comes with experience. And so, yeah, let me show you guys the same thing that was on SPY, that was on QQQ. So if you see this bear flag, this is called a bear flag leg. This is the leg. This is the flag. That's why it's called a bear flag. This is a bear flag. When you see this, you just measure the chart pole, the pattern pole with where it's supposed to break out at. And it'll show you where it's going. And it literally went to that same spot where my line was. And so, yeah, just like just like SPY on QQQ, I went ahead and let it drop because I seen the momentum was strong, volume was strong as freak. And it got down, bounced like crazy. And I seen the momentum, reverse. That's what all this is right here. Let's go down to the 1 minute. Let me get right. Okay, if y'all can tell, it really had a bullish engulfing, and then it made a bear flag as well with a lot of wicks to the bottom side. When you see that, when it's rejecting hard from one side, just know that it's definitely 90% of the time it's gonna go, to the other side if it's taking so long to reject and reject. Like after probably about three touches about three touches, it's probably gonna bounce or either reject, depending on where it's at. If it's going towards resistance, after three touches, it normally drops. And if it goes towards support after three touches, it normally bounces. You know what I'm saying? Just think of it like baseball. Three strikes, you're out. You know what I'm saying? Or 3-2. What you gonna do? Shit. But yeah, I'm this year. I'm gonna take every bull flag. Cause look, bro, they not playing. They not bullshitting, boy. He's like surpassing the targets like crazy. You just got to be careful because there can be false, bull flags and stuff. This is the other. Hold on. Let me go back. Let me not get sidetracked. Let me finish showing y'all the plays. Yeah, we got that first bear flag. And then, where's that? Yeah, the second play was that QQQ calls. Here the calls. You see, it did the flag, what I just showed y'all before, out of that, and then it came up and did another flag, and that's where I got in the 619s right here. About, well, dang, I got in about down here, what I was showing y'all before. The first bull flag, and then I let it ride up. Because if you can see, it definitely had a chance to hit here, whether it was going to reject or not. It was definitely going here to 620. And then I, went ahead and did my measurements and seeing where it was going to go, took profits about right here. And then it tanked. And then, as you can see, the lookout, zoom out, the bigger picture, you get a rising wedge inside of that bull flag that I took with a doji at confluence of the trend line at resistance. The doji is this candle where it, has the body in the middle of the wicks, which means indecision of the market, and which means a reversal in the market. Indecision could mean a reversal. And so I went ahead, and it's so many, especially when you got three confluences, go ahead and take the trade. Fire. 1, 2, 3, release them. But nah, yeah, when you got three confluences, it's the high probability, and that's what you want. That's where you want to put your money at. High probability setups, A+ setups. You feel me? So yeah, I went ahead and took that, seeing where it's gonna drop. Took profits about right here. And then I also took another one. I wonder if y'all can see it before I do, or before I, mark it. And get a chance. But y'all think I took, where's the most momentum at? Or not even the most, but, the second most, for real. So I go ahead and do it. It's another rising wedge, Another one. No DJ Khaled. And then there's so much confluence right here too, because it's about the same level that I took the other one at. So it came up to the same level. That's the, the turning point. If it went past that, we could have been bullish for the day. So, and this is great right here. When you see a big candle like this going your way, went ahead and went back to that same spot. Got me about a good profit. So yeah, cool little day, man. Good little Friday, man. Just showing y'all, how my journey is going and what I'm doing to get me to being a millionaire. You know what I'm saying? Not even a millionaire, because a lot of people don't even think like 100,000, 203. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like half a million is still a great amount. But shit, just shoot for the stars. You'll land on the moon. You feel me? I don't want to shoot right at my goal. I want to be above and beyond my goal. So even if I don't hit my goal, I'll land even somewhere even more substantial, you know? But yeah, we definitely gonna go crazy, because I've been doing it for so long, and I've been waiting for times like this, and not even waiting, but just waiting to be profitable for real. Because I've been losing so much money. But that's just how it goes. Like, you can't expect to get in and be that guy, you know what I'm saying, or even half the size that guy, Just run your own race and keep up with your own pace, and you'll get there for sure. But don't, and in the midst of time, and in the meantime, like, keep working, like, keep studying, and keep perfecting your shit. Keep charting, keep doing whatever it is that you aspire to do and get better at and be great at. Because it's up to you. If y'all want to really learn this and be a part of my journey, keep watching my videos and like and comment on this video and let me know more of what y'all want to see. And if y'all want me to start, going live and doing more stuff like that. Because this is a game for everybody. Just because you may not understand it don't mean you have to demonize it, you know what I'm saying, and say that this shit don't work. I'm showing you that it worked. I'm living proof, you know what I'm saying? And there's many other people that's living proof, but shit, if you fuck with me, then you'll fuck what I got going, So yeah, man, enough yapping. I hope y'all fuck with the video, and appreciate y'all for watching. Leave a like in the comments, sub up, subscribe, because I'm definitely got more videos coming. Let's go, man. Go. Beep. I'm out, man. God bless.